Meaning of detrain.
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 Detrain. The word detrain means to get off a train, bus, or other mode of transportation. When one detains, they are exiting the vehicle and stepping onto the platform or ground. This action may signal the end of a journey or the start of a new destination. The result of detaining is a physical movement away from the vehicle towards a new location. It can also involve a feeling of relief, excitement, or apprehension, depending on the circumstances surrounding the trip and the destination.